Namaskar to everyone. In previous class we have already discussed 4.1 exercise. In this lecture we will discuss 4.2 exercise. So student, let us start. First question is identify the linear equation in one variable. So we have to find which is linear equation, which is not, and number of variables. Okay. So in first, x plus y equals to 12. So here you notice two variables are there, x and y. Two variables here, so here two variables here, but it is linear or not? Maximum power of variable like x raised to 1, यहाँ x की पावर क्या है, कुछ भी नहीं लिखी हुई, तो we considered 1 here. तो highest power like y is also, its power is 1, so highest power is 1, so it is a linear equation. In second case, similarly, like two variables are there and highest power is 1, it is also linear equation. But in third, two variables are there but highest power is 2, which is not satisfied, so this is not a linear equation. This is linear equation, this is also, but this is not, because highest power is 2. Okay, in second question, write two sides of each the following, like 4 plus 6 is the LHS, left hand side and right hand side. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Like in B, T upon, so we write here LHS means to left hand side, RHS means to right hand side part. Okay, similarly we do the remaining questions. In third question, solve by trial and error method. So A is t minus 12 equals to 4. So we have to find out the value of t. So randomly we assume the value, like if t equals to 12, it is not satisfied because 12 minus 12 equals to 0 and 0 is not equals to 4. So what will be the value? If the value is 13, then 13 minus 12 equals to 1, which is not equals to 4. If value is 14, then 14 minus 12 equals to 2, which is not equals to 4. If 15 minus 12 equals to, this is not satisfied. But in 16, if t equals to 16 minus 12 equals to 4, which is satisfy this condition. So it is true for 16. The value of t equals to 16. So this is trial and error method. So we put the value, randomly we put the values and find out. Like in B question, similarly, like if x equals to 1, so we put the value of x, okay, equals to 18. Okay, then 2 is multiplied by 1, bracket means to multiplication, plus 12, which is equals to 14, and 14 is not equals to 18. This is not satisfying. So we put the values, we put 2, 3, 4. If x equals to 3, then we put the value, okay, here. So it becomes like 2 3s are 6 plus 12, which is 18, and this is satisfy the condition. So the value of x is 3. So the answer is x equals to 3. So this is the method by which we can find the value. Randomly we take the values and find out if it is satisfy the condition or not, like LHS is equals to RHS or not. If LHS is equals to RHS, then we stop. Like here LHS is equals to RHS. Then it is clear to you. In fourth question, solve the following question and verify also. x plus 9 equals to 49. Okay, so x is variable, 9 is constant, 49 is also. So if we shift 9 here, so its sign becomes minus, so x equals to 40. So if we put this value in this equation, then it becomes 40 plus 9, which is equals to 49. So it is equals to 49. So LHS equals to RHS, which is verified. Okay, we take LHS part. If LHS equals to RHS, this is RHS, then the condition is satisfied, it is verified that this is right answer. Okay, like in C. So here we shift this 7/2 here, sign change, we take LCM, then 9 plus 7, this is equals to 16/2, which is equals to 8. So we put the value of this x in this equation. So 8 minus 7/2, we take LHS part, not RHS part. If LHS equals to RHS, then this is verified. So take LCM of that, then 16 minus 7 equals to 9/2. This is equals to RHS. Okay, so LHS equals to RHS, hence verified. So similarly we do the remaining questions of this exercise. In next lecture we will discuss 4.3 exercise. Till then, bye bye.